Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Lesson number 7, Fair Play. This is a story written by Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand was a great novel writer, story writer, and dramatist. He was famous for his modern Indian literature. He is regarded as one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. His novels include Godan, Karmabhumi, Gaban, etc. He has been referred to as the Upanyas Samrat, means emperor among novelists by the writers. Fair Play is a wonderful story of two friends by Munshi Premchand. The story is set in the background of the rural lifestyle and village panchayat. Children, has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? What did you do then? Did you keep quiet or did you tell your friend what you thought? Read the story about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity, or a sense of what is right and what is wrong. So let's begin the lesson. Fair Play Part 1. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. जुम्मन शेख और अलगू चौधरी दोनों अच्छे दोस्त थे। उनकी दोस्ती बहुत ही पक्की थी। अगर उनमें से कोई एक बाहर चला जाता था गांव के, तो दूसरा व्यक्ति उनकी फैमिली की देखभाल करता था। दोनों का सम्मान बहुत ही ज़्यादा किया जाता था गांव में। जुम्मन had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. Jumman and his family were tired of the old relative. Jumman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with the food for a few months, but patience has its limits. जुम्मन की एक बूढ़ी अम्मा थी, उसे चाची भी कह सकते हैं, जिनके पास एक प्रॉपर्टी थी और यह प्रॉपर्टी जुम्मन को ट्रांसफ़र की थी इस शर्त पर कि वह जुम्मन के साथ तब रहेगी जब वह उसका ध्यान रखेगा। यह व्यवस्था ने कुछ वर्षों तक अच्छी हुई। फिर स्थिति बदल गई। जुम्मन और उसका परिवार पुराने रिश्तेदार मतलब चाची से थक चुके थे, परेशान हो चुके थे। जुम्मन की बीवी उसे कम खाना देती थी। उसने कुछ महीनों के लिए अपने भोजन के साथ अपमान भी झेल लिया। कौन? वह चाची। लेकिन धैर्य की अपनी सीमा होती है। One day she spoke to Jumman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry, and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. एक दिन उसने जुम्मन से बात की। उसने कहा, बेटा, अब मुझे समझ में आया है कि आप मुझे पसंद नहीं करते हैं और आपके घर में मैं रहूं। मुझे एक मासिक पैसे दे दो ताकि मैं एक अलग रसोई बना सकूं। मेरी पत्नी को पता है सबसे अच्छा घर चलाने के लिए कैसे। धीरज रखो, जुम्मन ने बेशर्मी से कहा। इससे उसकी चाची बहुत नाराज़ हो गई और उसने अपने मामले को ग्राम पंचायत में ले जाने का फैसला किया। For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said. But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. कई दिनों तक वृद्ध महिला को गांव वालों से बात करते हुए अपने मामले के बारे में बात करते हुए देखा। कुछ लोगों ने उसको सपोर्ट किया, कुछ लोगों ने उसकी हंसी उड़ाई और कुछ अन्य लोगों ने उसे सलाह दी कि वह खोए हुए ब्याज की परवाह न करके इसे अपने भतीजे और उसकी पत्नी के साथ रहे। आखिर में वह अलगू चौधरी के पास आई और उससे बात की। अलगू ने कहा, आप जानते हैं चाची, जुम्मन मेरा सबसे अच्छा दोस्त है। मैं उसके खिलाफ कैसे जा सकता हूँ? लेकिन क्या यह सही है मेरे बेटे, माँ को रखने के लिए और यह नहीं कहना कि अब क्या उचित है? चाची ने विनती की। पंचायत में आओ और सच बोलो, उसने कहा। अलगू ने कोई उत्तर नहीं दिया, लेकिन उसके शब्द उसके कानों में बजते रहे।